everybody, and welcome to Joshua Philip Jha's channel. And in this video, I would be showing you how to install Kali Linux 2020.2 as a virtual machine in Windows 10 without booting it up. So for that, you need I'll show you how to do that. So let's focus on the first thing right now, which is we've got the VMware. So click on this link if you have a Windows. It doesn't matter whether you have Windows 7, Windows 10 or Windows 8, doesn't matter. Just click on that link if you have just Windows, doesn't matter. But one advantage is that this is paid, okay, and whereas the player version is not paid. I was showing my other videos. In my other videos I'll show you how to install in the player version, and this is for the Linux version. In the Linux version also it is paid, so no regards, but this is a very nice version. So this is for link for Linux. It doesn't matter whether you have Ubuntu, Kali, or if you have Parrot, or if you have Backbox or any OS, it doesn't matter. Or even if you have Linux Mint, it doesn't matter. But if you have a Linux, if you have a Linux OS, you just click on that. So now this is the link for loading Kali Linux. Just let me just show you. Sorry for that. Just type kali.org, O-R-G. Then you click on the downloads, and you just don't take these ISO files, because these one will be needed for booting it up. So I wouldn't show you how to boot it up, because for the file which I'm going to take right now, I don't need to boot it up. So select your version of VMware. Just see which is your VM. I use this one, the first one itself. So I'll just click on this link, and then I'll choose. Let me just go down. I think so. Okay, so I'll click on this, and you go ahead and download it. So I don't need it because I already have it downloaded before I showed you this, before I even started this video. So now it's on my file, so let me just show you. So now I see my file. This is the file which you will get. So before you do anything more, one step what you've got to do is you've got to extract that. Now for extracting, you need to have WinZip. Just open a new tab in the web browser, and then just type download WinZip for Windows 10. So just click the first link, and then you just choose the first one, or else you can even buy that. I've chosen this one, and it's gone ahead and it's downloaded. Okay, so now it's downloaded very quickly. So once it's downloaded, I just set that up before. I just set it up long time ago before I even came and showed you guys this video. So since I have WinZip already, okay, let's go to my files, and you just do right click on the file, on this file, right click, and then you'll have an option called as WinZip. So you just click unzip to folder, /c. Just use the, and it'll come up with something asking you if you want to buy, or you want to use the evaluation version. So I'm using the evaluation version because I don't want to buy it. So this will go ahead, and it will take a bit of while for extracting it. And so meanwhile, let me show you how my VMware looks. So just a second. Okay, so it's taking a bit of while to extract it, looks like, although on your screen looks like it's extracted it, but it's still taking a bit of while. So I'm just going to wait for it to extract it. By then, let me just wait. And it's okay if you can't see how it's actually extracting it. I understand your I understand it's a bit it doesn't look good, it's not, can't see it, but I'm just gonna please just wait for a while. So just around just more seconds, and then it'll go ahead and download. It'll just extract, although on your screen it's looking like it's extracted long time ago. It's extracted very much before, but now we've got to do very simple steps. It's not like it's very complicated. So I'll just show you how this looks. The VMware, this is how the VMware Workstation Pro actually does look, and I've already had 2 VMs from before. So so you see that you have some options that create a new virtual machine, open a new virtual machine. So we are going to right now create a new virtual machine, but before that, this is finished extracting it. So I'll just open this file up, and then I'll choose the VMX file. I'll just double click that file, then it'll go ahead and it will open my VM. So it's open my VM now, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to just all the settings are correct, so I'll just power on this virtual machine. I'm not going to upgrade it, and that will ask you something whether you copied it or what did you do to it, like something like this. So you just go ahead and you just click I copied it, then this will go ahead and will download. I'm sorry, I just need to, something's wrong. So I actually don't need to boot this up. This is happening much faster than I thought before. Just click on this, and then I'll just give my username, password, which is default is Kali, then I'll just enter, then Kali, username and password is Kali, and then yes, we have logged into the we have logged in successfully. Let me just increase this volume, let me just turn it on, also I can't hear anything. So okay, so I'll just open my files for a minute. Actually, let me just open settings. I'll go with the manager, and then I'll just type the user. Okay, so there isn't any user. So now let's so let's open terminal and see what is just to sudo ifconfig to see if I'm actually connected. ifconfig okay, so great, I'm connected to internet. So now I'll just try to put genome in this. I'm not gonna do anything like that, but that was all for this video, guys. I'm gonna see you in my next video, and now I'm gonna do one simple thing, which is I'm just gonna power off this. So I'm doing it from my terminal, and the other way is clicking on this button and then click shutdown, restart, log out, suspend, hibernate, hybrid sleep, switch user. So I'm not going to using this method, but I'll use it from my terminal. And I'll give my sudo password for Kali, and then bam, it's done. So that was all for this video, guys, and I'm gonna see you on my next video. So you can email me at joshuaphilipcha@gmail.com, or else you can ask me any questions below in the comment box, or last option is that you can just be with me on LinkedIn if you have a LinkedIn profile. So now that was all. I'm gonna see you on my next video. Bye guys.